Big box, baby, let's go. I'm literally like a kid in a candy store. I cannot be trusted there. It's the first of the month. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Hey, if you know, you know.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss days. Go do your boss days.
Boss fam, really quick, you have got to start automating your sales process. I know you love your cleaning business, this is your baby, but you can't do everything. You're trying to run a business here. So automate your sales process so that you can have more time to close deals and grow your cleaning business. That's what you're supposed to be doing. You're the CEO, you're the owner. So you are responsible for growing the business, not doing all those small day-to-day tasks. And if you don't know how to automate your sales process, I have a guide. So go in the link in the description and download the guide. That way you can start automating the sales process and start growing your business and working on your business instead of in it. Love you guys. Keep that boss mentality. Peace. It's the first of the month, baby, so you already know what that means for me and my business and how we do pay around this place. I'm at the bank, man. I still do business with some old people, so they still take paper checks and stuff like that. So on money day, I am very often just at the bank, man. It's really cool when you walk into your local bank and they know you by name and they know what you come for and they know, you know, everything that you need and they address you and they're all nice. It's a good feeling, man. If there's any place that you want to be recognized and treated well is at your bank. I always do cashier's checks so that money comes out. I'm not worried about what the balance is. I'm not surprised that whenever I see something come out or when the check gets cashed or what have you. So I always do cashier's checks or money orders, and that's how I pay these people who still like to do this whole paper accounting and paper checks and stuff. So can't win them all. You know, as bad as I want everybody to be fully automated and fully electronic, you know, not everybody's like that. Some old people I just wasn't able to close on that. So what are you gonna do? I ain't tripping. But it feels so good having all my money to start out the month. I know what I gotta do. I know what's on the schedule. I know what's coming up. And I got enough money to do it. I know what supplies I need. Everything's taken care of. And I'm in a better position to be able to do a good job for my clients, which is why I preach so hard on getting paid up front. First of the month, baby. It's a good time for me. I love coming to my bank. It's quick, it's routine, everyone's nice and pleasant. It's beautiful. Plus, it's just a gorgeous day outside. Somehow it always ends up being a pretty day on payday, am I right? But anyway, when was the last time you actually licked an envelope? Like actually licked an envelope, put a stamp on it, and put it in a mailbox? Like, are you kidding me, bro? Like, what year is it? Come on now, grow up. Yep. Now you other seven-figure cleaning business owners cannot pretend and cannot tell me that you guys don't be in these big box retailers when you're in a pinch. This is my favorite freaking store. And you guys know that about me. You've seen it on all my old videos and I've always been inside of the home to get supplies and so that's what we have today. So we're looking for a Rubbermaid flat mop stick, hopefully adjustable. We'll see if they have the adjustable one. I'm sure they'll probably have a regular one, but the adjustable one's hard to find and usually have to order it from Amazon. I got a link for that in the description. I'm also looking for some cleaner because there's no more at the office or in the storage, and we forgot to make a Virex order since I took over this position again. So if they don't got that, then we'll look somewhere else, man. We'll probably hit another big box retailer. There ain't nothing wrong with stopping at a Lowe's or Walmart or Home Depot to get something in the pinch if you don't have it. These products and solutions are more than good enough. They can definitely get you by. And cleaning products are not expensive to begin with. So don't get too caught up in trying to buy in bulk and save money on solutions. Especially in the beginning, man. Use stuff that's good. Use stuff over the counter if you have to. If there's no chemical supplier near you, whatever, this stuff is more than good enough. Damn it. So it looks like they do not have the adjustable mop sticks, but they are doing something different with the flat mop heads. Looks like it now comes with the attachment that allows you to dust mop as well. It's kind of cool. I wish I sold the attachment by itself, but I don't see that anywhere. And I also don't see any of the flat mop heads that I need, so we're out of luck here. So we'll just have to do some laundry. Right, so we made it back to the office, and it looks like we got an Amazon package. So let's see what Amazon brought for us today. Oh, big box. Big box, let's go. What is this? Oh, okay. Where's my knife? Let's get this open real quick. Tape on this. What happened to the easy blue? Let's get this down here. Open it up. Oh, boom. Rubbermaid mop bucket, flat mop bucket. Let's go. I like this. We needed another one of these. Every time we get a new client, we get a new little thing of supply so that every client has their own and all my employees don't have to swap. This is invaluable. It's got the little ring, flat mop ring area at the top. It's got the nozzle at the bottom for you to let out the water solution. This is invaluable. So if you guys don't have a flat mop bucket or like a charging bucket, I have links for them in the description below. So if you click the link in the description below, I'll get a little kickback because it's an Amazon affiliate link, but also it'll take you to my page where I have a complete list of a bunch of different supplies and equipment that I think are really useful for commercial cleaners. So definitely click the link in the description and grab you a flat mop bucket by Rubbermaid. This is the most high quality one. I know you see we got a bunch of them over there, back there in the corner. Home Depot did not have the adjustable Rubbermaid mop stick. I'll show you. But I was right, we had an extra one here at the office. And so this is the one that you can find at Home Depot. Just this with your standard little clip that clips into the mop head. But as you can see, it's not adjustable. There's no way to actually make this any longer. And so what we need is this one. So still Rubbermaid with the flat mop head on here, but it has this little section right here where you can actually make this part longer to make it easier for cleaners who are shorter or taller or what have you, or to reach into longer spaces or tighter spaces. I think that is invaluable. Also, this is also one of the items on that list, on that cleaning supply list. So definitely click that link in the description and grab everything that you need to, start your first commercial location. But I wanted to show you guys some of the other stuff that I just grabbed being at Home Depot. I'm literally like a kid in a candy store when it comes to Home Depot. I cannot be trusted there. It's dangerous for me to go there on payday, but today I had a lot of self-control. I was on my best behavior. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I didn't go crazy. I only spent like $100 there, but I grabbed some stuff that I didn't need. I just wanted to grab and see how they worked. Some stuff I was just curious about, like this toilet bowl cleaner, this acid toilet bowl cleaner by Zep. So we're gonna check that out. You see what that's about. One of my clients actually used to put this in their cleaning supply closet because I think they just wanted us to use it because they like how it smelled. And after using the Method products, I like how they all smell. They all work really good and they all have a really, really good smell. Clients really like them, especially in those like offices, like law offices and places where there's a bunch of cubicles and computers. They love the smell that this leaves behind, so that's a really popular one. And so I'm thinking about hitting up Method to see what type of wholesale options they have for this product, but I really like it. They're not sponsoring me or anything, but they should, man. Them and Zep, y'all, somebody go tag Zep on Instagram or tag Zep in the comments and tell them sponsor your boy, man. We need a sponsorship. Look at the back of my, what I'm saying? We got Zep products everywhere. Tell them sponsor your boy. Speaking of Zep, more Zep products, I wanted to try this foaming bathroom cleaner. I've been looking for a solution that's a foaming solution that I can just go into a bathroom and cover the whole bathroom with and foam and basically just give it a wipe down and rinse down. And I've yet to find anything that works to the level that I wanted to work to, but I'm hoping that Zep gets me close. But yeah, I thought this looked interesting. Figured I'd just grab one and see how it goes. Also, I've used this product before. This is that Zep wall cleaner that I showed you guys. So we got that, but I've used this product before. I love the Zep wall cleaner. I don't think we're gonna need it for the new location, but I'm gonna bring it just in case and keep it in the cleaner's caddy. Grabbed another toilet bowl brush, toilet bowl cleaner, what have you. Cleaners, degreasers, and disinfectant. This is probably one of the most popular ones, this simple green disinfectant. I don't necessarily like the smell, which is why I stay away from it, but this is something that's perfectly usable for commercial use, and it's an actual antibacterial, something with ammonium chloride that you can actually do some disinfecting after you clean. You can grab one of those if you're so inclined. I don't necessarily like the smell of it. That's why I don't really use it a whole lot, but we do have this one. I think we even have like a big huge one on the shelf back there as well. So I'm not big on solutions. I don't have like a whole lot of solution suggestions, but when you can, definitely splurge on some really good solutions and really good equipment. It's going to help you out in the long run. Today, just wanted to pop in and say what up, take you guys on another day in the life with your boy. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to 20,000 subscribers, and I can't do that without you guys. The like goal for this video is going to be 150 likes. We're going to keep it low, nice and easy. So if you don't see that thumb underneath the video at 150, then do your part, man, and hit that like button for your boy. The algorithm loves it. It makes the channel grow. It shows it to more people. And that's what we need. Really trying to hit our subscriber goal of 20,000. So if you watch my videos and you are not subscribed, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. YouTube probably still won't even show you my videos when I upload. So it's not like I'm going to be nagging you all the time, but you can hit the bell to be notified if you want to be notified every time I drop a video. You just got to make sure when you hit the bell, you hit all. So you go to all. So you hold the bell and there should be a small menu that comes up. And so you want to hit notification bell and then all. So you get all the notifications for when I drop a video. That's it for today, man. Get that money, y'all. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace. Really quick, boss family, I have a free proposal template. So if you're not getting calls back after you submit those proposals, or if you feel like your proposals just look bland or they just look like an invoice that says estimate on it, then I have a much better way for you to do it. Download my proposal in the link in the description and you'll be able to close more jobs because you will look more professional. You'll look like you actually care about your business. So go get the proposal template. It's completely free. My gift to you guys. Love you. I specialize in coaching and consulting for new and aspiring commercial cleaning business owners just like you.
He helped me get this whole process started.
I talked to that man for less than 30 minutes, okay?
It was a great move for me to make. I ain't have a lot of money or nothing, but he gave me the steps I need to take to do it.
My goal is to equip you with the tools and the knowledge you need to thrive in this competitive industry.
And all I can say is that the value that was given to us in that 1 hour was well worth what we paid for, in my opinion.
DJ's consultation is 100% worth it.
I come up with a custom plan for you and your business.
The information he provided was invaluable, man.
He provided so much value.
We really love how this information was tailored to our specific needs.
Best practices, marketing strategies, and industry secrets, and anything else you need to get ahead.
We know there's a big shift in our business.
I just closed 2 clients.
You're also going to save a lot of money by avoiding costly mistakes by learning from someone who's experienced and who's done exactly what you're trying to do.
I highly recommend DJ The Boss.
We definitely recommend a consultation with DJ The Boss to anybody with the cleanest service.
I definitely would recommend using DJ services.
I appreciate you, DJ The Boss.
Shout out to you, DJ The Boss.
Book a one-on-one session with me and we can help get your business to the next level.